Using keyboard shortcuts with a Mac. Command C or copy. This shortcut allows you to copy text. To copy the text, highlight the text you want to copy and hit Command C on the keyboard. You've now stored the text in your computer's clipboard or memory. Command V or paste. After copying the text with Command C, move your cursor to the destination where you want to paste the text and hit Command V on the keyboard. This will paste the text. Copy and paste works with both text or images. Command A or select all. When you want to grab everything in a document, hit Command A on the keyboard. Once all the text is selected, you can copy the text, change the font, delete it, or so on.